Ever wonder what's happening behind the scenes when you're participating in an online training, workshop, or even an event? Hi, my name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services. I have 6 tips for you from a production partner perspective. Tip number 1, production plan. That is an outline of all the details for the learning experience, roles, and expectations. Communication is key. Tip number 2, backup plans. So everything from sending out links, having them ready to share last minute, phone numbers if someone's mic is not working, and even a backup option for internet if that goes down. Backup plans are essential so that everything seems seamless and you're able to recover quickly. Tip number 3, breaks. That's essential for your participants to have a quick bio break, grab a snack, a drink, just have a little breather. So even when it's a 10-minute break every hour, hour and a half, that's really important. But it's also helpful to your production partner or virtual assistant to take care of any tech issues behind the scenes or training needs for your participants. Tip number 4, online communication pauses. Do you ever feel like you're interrupting all the time? Communication includes some delays online. That's part of the technology and us adjusting. Just like our eye contact is through a camera, our communication and listening needs to shift just a little bit. So pausing briefly after someone has spoken helps with that delay so that you don't feel like you're interrupting. It still might happen. We will all give each other grace and apologize. Tip number 5, be aware of the multitasking that is happening behind the scenes. In order for things to feel like they're flowing seamlessly, there is a lot that's happening. Your production partner or virtual assistant might be setting up your next breakout group, moving people around if you have them specific and not random, setting up the timeline for when that breakout room will stop, taking care of other tech issues or needs that people are having, letting people in from the waiting room. And you may even want to have a third person. If you're the speaker or facilitator and another organization is hosting, ask them to help monitor the chat. But be clear on expectations on how often you want to be interrupted and how you want that to go. Communication is key. There's a lot happening behind the scenes, but just remember that the person that's supporting you is multitasking a lot of elements so you look awesome. Tip number 6, timeline. It's good to be flexible, but communicate any changes and shifts immediately with your whole team. If you have multiple speakers, ensure that they're aware they really need to stick to their specific time allotted spots so that the other people aren't feeling rushed and no one is going over time. It makes everything feel seamless and flows and is a more enjoyable learning experience for everyone. If you would like to hear additional tips about increasing engagement online or other resources and tools that we have, there's links below. My name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services. I hope you have a light bulb learning moment today and that you're able to facilitate those for your participants. I would love to hear from you. Any comments below of what your favorite tip was today, or if you have another tip for all of us to learn from that we need to keep in mind when we're running an online learning experience. Please like and share, and I would appreciate if you would subscribe so that you can hear about all the great videos and resources we're going to be sharing. Links below. Again, my name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services. Have a great day.